Yeah, that's creation. She a DIY sensation. All across the nation, you know she got the patience to do it right. Yeah, do it yourself. You already know she the DIY queen. Ooh, ooh, so go check her out on the tube. Ooh, ooh, cause you already know how she do. Ooh, ooh, cause she be the one to do it all. Check her out, sound, be subscribe, yeah, yeah. And hit the little bell. Don't be like, oh well, you gonna get the notification. Cause she be
Hello my fab creators, today I'm going to show you how to do 10 hair barrettes. They're super trendy and the best part is that I'm doing a giveaway for one of you guys with one of these hair barrettes that will say your name. The rules are the following. You have to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the little bell. Leave a comment down below on this video saying your age, where you guys from, and your Instagram username. Here's a little example. And you also have to follow me on my Instagram. If you want a little bonus, you have to watch my last video, DIY product shoes, and leave a comment down below, and that will increase your chances of winning. And those are all the rules. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below for my Instagram and my Snapchat. Now let's start!
About to leave.
For this DIY, we will need rhinestones like this. We will put it on top of our hair clip, measure it, and then cut the excess off. Then we're going to glue the rhinestones in the hair clip, and that's basically it. It's super easy. You can leave it like this, or if you want to be a little bit extra, you can add your name. You get super pretty letters and glue them, and that's it, and it looks super amazing. I love it.
You gotta listen up, listen up.
For this DIY, you will need parchment paper and a glue gun. Then you're going to write your name with the glue gun. Let it dry. When it dries, you take it out. If your letter has a small defect, you can cut it off. Then you're going to paint it on the back if you want a little bit of shiny on the front. And if you want your letters to be matte, you can paint it on the top like this. And now we're going to glue it to our hair clip, and that's basically it. It's super easy and it looks amazing and totally original. When I saw this keychain, I loved it so much, but I didn't have anywhere to put it, so I wait for a DIY. Just take the keychain out, glue a rhinestone, and then glue it to our hair clip, and that's it. It's super easy and it looks so pretty that I love it. I think this is one of my favorite hair clips. Get a metallic ribbon, glue some rhinestones on top of it, then you're going to cut it. When they're all separated, you're going to glue it on your hair clip, and that's it. And you have a super glamorous hair clip that looks amazing. I love this one also.
I found a message from my best friend hidden in your phone. It said she missed your touch. Why, thanks so much.
This is also another super easy DIY. Just get a hair clip and some pearls and glue the pearls on top, and that's it. It's super easy and it looks amazing.
So you think you were right?
And if you don't like the color of your hair clip, you can paint it. Then get the super trendy rhinestone letters and glue it on top of your hair clip. And that's it, you have this super cute trendy hair clip.
Rat-tat-tat-tat on your dum-dum drum.
For this DIY, we're going to use silicone mold. We're going to put our glue where we want it. Then when it dries, we're going to take it off, and on the back, we're going to paint it. You can paint it in a bunch of colors like this. Now we're going to glue it on our hair clip, and that's it. It's super easy and it looks really pretty. This DIY was also one of my favorites. We're going to get a silicone mold of stars, and we're going to add glue, wait it till it dries, and then remove our star. Now we're going to cut all the unwanted glue like this. And now we're going to paint it. And when we finish, we're going to glue it on our hair clip. And if you want to add a little extra detail, we can glue a pearl. It looks amazing. And here are other ideas that you can also glue on top, and it looks so beautiful. And if you want a splash of color, you can also do that. Get ponytails with cute fruit on the top. Remove the ponytail and the glue, and then we're going to glue it to our hair clip, and that's all. I think all these DIYs are so easy compared to my Prada shoes that I think that's what I end up making 10 hair clips. And it looks so pretty. I love them all.
We got a summer of the kind of movie love, in for some more. Tonight we're
And last but not least, get some bobby pins, jewelry wire, and pearls. We're going to cut our wire a little bigger than the bobby pin, and then we're going to roll it on our bobby pin like this. Add all the pearls that you want. And now we're going to roll it again on our bobby pin, and then cut the excess off. And that's it. It looks super beautiful and amazing. I love it. Which hair clip was your favorite one? Leave it on the comments below.
About it for this DIY video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up, and comment down below for my Instagram, my Snapchat, and don't forget to participate on the giveaway. Bye! I love you guys. Bye!
Yeah, fans creation, she a DIY sensation, all across the nation. You know she got the patience to do it right. Yeah, do it yourself. You already know she the DIY.